Well, this is a hot spring. That means this water here is very, very, very hot, like a natural jacuzzi in a wonderful place. Not many people here today. It starts raining now, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Very, very beautiful place. And this place is located in Pai, about 4 hours from Chiang Mai.